Alright guys, so we're gonna head down and give you another tour. And this building was Selena's?
Selena, yeah, Selena, right? I think it's
Selena building.
Hotel and
Selena Hotel.
Restaurant. No, it was. So you're with Street Kitty.
We'll give you a little drive-through, Kitty. And we are entering David Street. So Kitty Campbellville, guys. Church on your right. CES building, we just passed on our right. Something that was.
Okay, wait, I know
Organizing shop or something. Got a restaurant here. Phoenix restaurant.
wrong and come down back. So you will see. Oh,
So we are on Queen Street now, guys. This is Queen Street. Kitty. So we're gonna go to the end to the public road and turn back. I'll start from there. This here is an inn on our left. Windjammer's Inn.
that's the one right here.
So this is the Kitty public
The
road here.
whole- Right nice, yeah? The whole of Kitty, na sir? Semi, sir? Let me know for drive a little bit, girl.
And here,
Really know no
at the
place
back
in
there is
the
Vista Avenue. So we heading out back from where we came. Kids. Jesus Christ. Ramdi Hall and Sons. This is William Street.
Yo. Hi. Maybe in try call.
And this is
Maybe you
David
want to
Street. You
talk to me,
passing back.
darling.
This is the street you came in from on the right.
Oh, because me try call and him now. So where you there? You the wrong way he there?
Music by music.
When he come back you can lay
This is
call.
Gordon Street.
I'm a business me want no
One way.
price and fee and so.
We have Bounty coming up on our left at Pipe
Me dey on the
Street.
road. Nah. Me dey in town still. Yeah, but me dey in town I do. So me getting busy with myself.
Does you notice that Pike Street is a one way to?
No, me go try not to be in trouble today. Tomorrow I go take trouble.
This is Thomas Street.
Yes, so far. Ahead.
Islamic Anjuman.
Let me carry you through the old Kitty Market
Yeah.
area. And this was the old market
Yeah.
on your right.
We are crossing Bar Street right now. famous Shell Road coming up. Shell Road PT. CNK Pharmacy.
Đi về rồi, nhà đâu? Đi về rồi.
Police station. Kitty Police Station, alright.
Look at two cars smash up there. It's a bad bangway. Wow.
Serious accident there, right? Holy crap.
Kitty Health Center.
Mom bumper brace up on the car. Fusion Lunch and Steakhouse. So this is now Sandy Bob Street we are on, guys. Sandy Bob. So once you go down Sandy Bob here, it cuts off and becomes Campbell Avenue, and that's when we're going to be entering Campbellville. And then we're going to go to Sheriff Mosque. So this is Middleton here. This is Middleton Street we are going across now. And now we are in Campbellville. Remember when you used to catch a bus by Demico there? Kitty Campbellville?
These things and son one of the days retail of importing of fruits and vegetables and different things, sweets and confectionery in the whole.
Campbellville. Okay, bye. I'll talk to you.
Is who that, Karishma? Oh.
No, not your friend.
No, I thought it was Karishma. Karishma, no. Karishma was my friend.
OMG across are all there. So this is the famous Sheriff Street, where you have a lot of night spots and restaurants like this one, the Fortune House. Man, he vexed, right?
There's a car coming out. This was newly done. The road was newly done.
Yeah. Agman, famous Agman is here, the restaurant. New Campbellville Secondary School.
We finish. No, your uncle sir, you can buy some. I gotta decide what you want to eat through, where you want to stop.
Yeah. Beer na pa ni list to.
Beer. Some eatables there.
You got beer there in mind.
Alright.
All you gotta do, baby, when the food come, just call for beer with the
KFC.
food.
When the bill come.
You can pay the bill, man. Don't worry.
Royal Castle on our left.
China nice Chinese restaurant.
Big.
Me, no.
You like Chinese? When you have see Chinese man, then
Yes, guys, so the famous
Hard.
Sheriff Street.
The famous De Cinco.
Over there. on our right.
Yeah, and then remember the barn burned down here on your right too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, burned down.
Nice music. Another restaurant. Cambote. Yeah, that's a famous one too. So when you come to the end here, you're gonna get onto Mandela Avenue.
So this where the 4-lane is going to hook up to, right?
Yeah.
Right to Sheriff Street here.
Okay, so
It
take
go
it down
come
there.
through Mandela, remember Mandela to
Yeah.
Sheriff. So that's how it's gonna come. You could go to the east coast.
Yeah, no, they're doing a lot of work on this this road here.
Right through.
We passed through here the other day. It was big back up there, man.
Oh yes, it always have a backup on Sheriff Street. Oh, I didn't know you get Sheriff Street
I
already.
got a piece here.
But I thought the van would allow me to go. Should have been just take the bridge and go land maybe.
Yeah, so just in case you didn't watch the next video where I caught this already, this is a big mall, gonna be the biggest mall you're gonna have in Guyana when it's completed. If you like the video, guys, I hope you enjoyed the ride. I hope you enjoyed the bus ride to PT Campbellville. Don't forget to pay your fare. Alright? And I'm gonna continue the video. I'm gonna tell you all about this big building that you're seeing here right now. This is gonna be changing some things in Guyana. New things are coming to Guyana in this building here. That's what the world is going around. So you're gonna catch this. That I gotta give you that information in the next video. Make sure you subscribe so you know when we drop the next video. See you in the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.